Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing. This time it's gonna be a subscription box. It's a seasonal subscription box. It's from Yuzen, and you saw recently on my channel, if you watch my channel, you saw recently a limited edition box from them, and I'm gonna leave the link down below if you wanna check that one. This one is the summer box. I love this subscription. I have this subscription for a while and I'm always waiting for it because those are products that I really like. Also in this box you get natural products, if I can say that, with natural ingredients. All of them are cruelty free, vegan free, gluten free, all the good stuff, cruelty free also. So I think it's a great one from that part. Also, I want to say that everything I got in this box I used and I was very pleased with. But let's go ahead and see what we have in the summer box. And as usual, it comes with the card. And here is the box. All the time comes with this very pretty paper. And this one, as far as I know, it's a Japanese paper, which comes in each box. All the time it's another color, which are beautiful. And here is the card in this one, and also it says here, fallen flower I see returning to its branch. It's a butterfly. It's from a Japanese poet. It says here, greetings, the beauty and abundance of the warm months are here. Is the perfect time to celebrate the joy of outside activities with your favorite companions. This collection is designed to support you during the active time of year. It will cleanse and nourish your skin, keep you smelling sweet, give you deep rest when you need it, and it even has a nut butter treat to enjoy on a walk or under a tree with a good book. We hope you enjoy each and every item. Wishing a glorious summer season, Jen and Ted. Very nice of them. Here are the products inside the box. So far I see 7 products in this box, and let's go ahead and see what are those. And yay, I see a product that I really like in here, and actually I'm surprised to see this one, but it's a very pleasant surprise because it's the first time since I have this subscription, probably 2 years or more, when I'm getting a Tarte product in this box. Yay for that. I'm really happy about that. This is Tarte in the full size Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. Is this one. As you know, I love Tarte and I'm really excited to get this one in this box. I wasn't expected. As I told you, it's the first time because many times you get different products from the same brands. I hope I'll see another Tarte product in the next box. But so far I have the cleanser gel in a full size, which I'm very excited. And about this one, they say here, of course they give you details how to use the product. I'm gonna go over that part. But about this one, it's cruelty free, gluten free, vegan, no sulfates. So great start for this box, I would say. Really excited about this one, and this one alone is 25. So then the next product in here, it's from ZATIC or ZATIC. It's Relieve Eye Serum for all skin types, pomegranate and eye bright, antioxidant cocktail. This one looks like this, and I'm also very happy to get an eye serum because eye serums are not products that are coming very often in boxes. And this one looks like this. It has this butter color. As consistency, it's like a gel. I'm not gonna open this one because I'm using another full size right now, but I'm very happy to get this one. And this is another full size product. About this one, it says it's organic and biodynamic, cruelty free, gluten free, vegan, not vegan free, just vegan, no GMOs. So good stuff. And also this one has a coupon code which If I didn't say, I'm saying now. I will leave in the comments, in the description box down below, just in case if you wanna check. I'll leave all the links with the coupons. So the next one in here is Kimberly Perry. This is organic wellness deodorant, tea tree and cedarwood is this one. And I'm surprising to see a deodorant coming in a liquid form. It's exactly like water as consistency. It's the first time when I'm getting a deodorant in this with this formula. And about this one is organic, gluten-free, cruelty-free, vegan, no GMOs, parabens, petroleum sulfates, or formaldehyde. This is something interesting to try. As I just told you, is the first time when I'm trying liquid deodorant. Then we have in here from Body Bliss. This one is Body Bliss Natural Sleep Stick Lotion Bar, which looks like this. Those are new terms to me, like sleep stick lotion bar. Smells really nice. And here is the product. And this one is also organic, gluten-free, cruelty-free, vegan, no GMOs, parabens, petroleums, all those stuff. Apply to skin before sleep, paying special attention to areas of dryness. So that's something interesting. A body lotion that can make you sleep. Sounds good also. Then we have some goodies in here. This time we have some peanut butter. We have two of those, and one of them is chocolate hazelnut butter from Naturally Delicious. Actually, the brand name is Justin's, and the other one is peanut butter blend with honey. Those two. I got another pack of this in another box a while ago, still from them, which was delicious. I'm not into peanut butter, but I really enjoyed that one. So we have two more in here. Organic, gluten-free, cruelty-free, vegan. Oh, I'm reading something else. I'm reading this one. Okay, this one. Organic and natural ingredients, gluten-free, no GMO, and other good stuff. So those two goodies. Then we have in here a tiny guide. This one is Odi, if I'm saying that right. It's olive oil lip balm is this one. And this one is also cruelty free, gluten free, no GMOs, and all those. And here is it's a full size of a lip balm. And the last product in here is this one, which is from Dr. Botanicals Tropical Invigorating Cream. This one looks like this. I love from them the facial oil, the rose facial oil, I believe. Amazing. And here is the product. Very summery packaging. And about this one is organic, vegan, no parabens, and other stuff like that. A full size also. So this is all in this box, and also we have some cards in here from those brands. We have a 20% off for the lip balm. We have a 30% off, and for the Body Bliss is this one. And we have another one in here for the eye serum. So far those all are the products in this this box. I would say that I really like the box. It's one of the, in my opinion, it's one of the best boxes, not just because it has the tart, that was a good, pleasant surprise for me. But also we have Dr. Botanicals. Those two are brands that we know very well, and also all the time what I tried new from in this box was really nice, and I did enjoy using those products. So far is the Dr. Botanicals cream. I believe this one is a body cream. Actually it's for face and neck. I was wrong, it's not a body cream, it's for face and neck. And then we have the Tarte cleanser. We have this Body Bliss sleep stick, lavender. This is an interesting product to me. The lip balm, the eye serum, which I'm very excited because I always use an eye serum before my eye cream. It's me. We have this deodorant in a liquid form, which it's new to me. And also we have those two goodies, the peanut butter and chocolate and honey. So as I said, I'm very excited. I really like this box. So as I said, this box is one of the best boxes I got, in my opinion. I enjoyed everything I got in this subscription. I will try those items and I'll let you know in empties probably. I'm looking because I saw an expiration date, and it seems like I'm kind of obsessed with that, because I got some in other boxes, don't relate what I'm saying now with this box, but I got in other boxes not long ago products that were expired. I got replacements for that, but anyway, for me it's not fun, because usually I'm not using right away the products that I'm getting. They are sitting in my collection for a while, shorter or longer, depend. But anyway, I'm really enjoying seeing those expiration dates, and because also some of the products doesn't come with the expiration date, so it's me. Anyway, this is all in this box. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time and your comments. I can't wait to see those comments, and I'll see you guys soon with another video, which right now I don't know what's gonna be. I'm still waiting for my subscription boxes for this month. I'm gonna try to do an unboxing for how many I'll be able to do. So and I'm saying that because I'm leaving in 2 weeks, so I'm not gonna be able to show you the subscription boxes. So this is all for now. I'll see you guys soon. You have a great day. Bye bye.